Okay, interweb land, I'm back. Rosco Odyssey walks, walk and talk. I think gonna be doing a little more talking today than walking. It's Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, 11:07 in the AM. Okay, so I've got a little thing lined up. We're gonna shift it up a little bit today. So I got a little thing lined up here. So I've been working on getting these motor mounts on this here on my Acura squared up. So I've got the rear motor mount in. It's down in there, down in the back wall. I got that in. Got the transmission mounts on this side. There's two of them. Those are in. Then I got this front motor mount. It's in place, but it's gonna have to be, bolted all up. So this is the last one. This is the side mount. Now this is the mount right here. So when I removed this mount, I got into a little situation. This bolt, or that attachment where you got to screw in the bolt, the threads got stripped out, and the bolt is no good. So I went ahead and re-drilled the hole with this drill bit. I took this drill bit and put it down and re-drilled that hole out. So I drilled a new hole with the threads and everything, and removing the threads and clearing the hole. And then I got this bit right here, and this threaded, so I set up new threads in there. I ran this down in there and re-threaded it. But when I did that, this is set up on a different thread pitch. It's the same bolt size, but it's a different thread count. So I went from a original bolt, which is this one, and a fine thread, to the new, the re-threaded is a coarse thread. So I had to change out. So I had to keep the similar bolt, same bolt size. I don't know if it's focusing. There it go. Similar bolt size, but now the thread is a coarse thread. So this bolt here is equivalent. It's actually a little bit beefier than the original. So I think I'm going to be good on that. So I'm not too worried about that. As long as I get it down to, as long as I get the proper clamping force on it, the proper torque, I'm gonna be comfortable with this fix. Okay, where are we at there? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna be cool with this fix. The only other way, like if I was gonna be super thorough on this fix, I'd have to remove this, drill that out, fill it, basically weld it all back up with aluminum and make it solid. And then I'd I'd reset for the center, drill out a new hole, proper depth and everything, and then tap new threads with the same exact thread pattern on the original. That would be like a real. And then if I wanted to get like real technical, I could probably get it done with the drill press. If the part was off, and I can get it in the drill press and re-drill the hole, proper depth and everything, and reset the threads, tap the new threads. If I wanted to get like real specific, I could get it into a mill or a lathe and run it that way. But I think for what I've got going on here, as long as I'm able to get the proper torque spec, I'm gonna be fine. I'll be confident with that, with the fix that I have. Obviously, I'll put the thread locker and whatnot in there, and so once I get this bracket set up, that'll be all the brackets. Then I'll go through, torque them all down, and should be set. All right, so this is kind of a quick one. Just wanted to kind of share that with you. That's what I got going on. This is the bracket. So when I threaded and tapped the new hole, just to show you what's in there. So that hole got drilled out, reset the thread, and then I put this little, is it focusing? I put this little insert in there. Okay, so that allow, you can see how that works. If I can get that just basically goes in there. Let's see, but that's inside the, so that's inside the new threaded hole right there. So that's what I got going on today. I'm try to get that set. Once I get that set, then I'll get all the other stuff torqued in, and all the brackets will have been replaced. All the engine mounts, I should say. All right, and that's another one. That's Rosco Odyssee fixes cars. Okay, thanks.